cooking apa?
Now we're just going to bundle the fish with our beautiful sauce, ginger scallion sauce. And there you go. That's how simple it is to make. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, a lot of people fall sick, including my family member. Appa also fall sick. Many of us actually gotten the flu. Not COVID, but flu. So a lot of coughing and this and that. And Appa always believe in one thing, even though we can't really use food as a medicine, but Chinese, we believe in this thing called 食补, meaning you actually use by way of food that we prepare to somehow improve the your body's condition. All right. So you know when when we have a lot of flu and coughing and stuff, actually one of the good thing is perhaps let's eat some ginger. All right, so I have a beautiful fish here, which give nice protein, and I'll be steaming the fish using ginger scallion sauce. And I'm going to teach you how to do the ginger scallion sauce super quickly. Right, first of all, I'm actually having a barramundi fish here. This is probably taken out from a 4 or 5 kg barramundi fish tail, and I actually requested the seller to butterfly cut out for me, right? And then I make few slits on the fish body, and we will give it a little bit of fine salt and few pieces of ginger, nice ginger. Then we can actually send it for the steamer. So you need to preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then we put in the fish in the middle and let it steam for probably about 10 minutes. Yeah. Then we won't waste the time, and we will now go and prepare the ginger scallion sauce. As the name suggests, ginger scallion, you need ginger and scallion. Very simple. So one small bowl of ginger here. Don't ask Appa how heavy is this. Agak. Yeah. I just say one small bowl. Yeah. You decide how much you want to put. You can see the ginger come with a little bit of bluish color. Yeah. That is a sign telling you this is Bentong ginger, wild ginger. And then we have the scallion. Yeah. Of course, cut into small slices. So very simple. We're just going to. By the way, I have removed the skin of the ginger. Then we are going to chop it. So this is my chopper. Putting in the ginger. I cut it into smaller chunks so that it's easier to chop. And I will put a little bit of water to ease the chopping process. We want to chop it into a paste, ginger paste. Less than 3 seconds, very fast. Let me see. It's still a bit too coarse. We want it to be more finer, yeah? In order to make it more finer, you can actually add more water. You want to make it like a real paste, yeah? A paste, ginger paste. Right. Let me show you. Right. This is the kind of consistency we wanted, yeah? It's basically a paste. Next thing, get a pan or a wok. We're going to saute the ginger a little bit, yeah? So I'll give it a little bit of oil here. Give it some heat. You don't have to wait until it is heated up. Even when it is cold oil, you can already put in the ginger. Right, then you can slowly raise the heat. Started to sizzle, yeah? We come back shortly. You don't really have to saute this for a long time, seriously. You just want to heat it up a bit. Because ginger is perfectly fine if you eat it raw, yeah? No issue at all. So, then we're going to add in some water. Now, if you have chicken stock, add in chicken stock. So Appa doesn't have chicken stock, however, Appa actually has my own chicken powder. So after I add in the water, I can just add in my cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Then it becomes chicken stock. That's how restaurants actually enhance the flavor of their cooking, yeah? Don't use too high heat, just use low heat will do. So this is already flavorful. So we're going to give it some seasoning here. I think I don't mind. Give it a little bit more water. You can control the consistency yourself. Give it a little bit of salt. Few dashes of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. A little bit of sugar. Optional for those who don't. There are people, some of my viewer, they don't like to add sugar into their dish. No problem. They don't have to. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen. All right, basically, it's almost done. Beautiful, creamy ginger sauce. And now we can actually off the heat, and we shall add in the scallion. You don't have to cook the scallion. You can use the residual heat to cook through the scallion, is good enough. Because if you cook your scallion, actually your scallion will start losing color. Now we have beautiful color. That's how simple it is to make your ginger scallion sauce. You can use this sauce to steam chicken. You can use this sauce to steam fish, yeah? Many things. It's a very useful sauce, and more importantly, this is made out of ginger and also scallion, so it's very good for your health. Very good for your body. All right. Ooh. Look at the steam. Let me show you my fish. Whoa, look at my fish. So beautiful. Let me focus. Okay, focus. See how beautiful is the fish. All right, see all this steamed fish water? This is the source of fishiness. You want to remove the water. Yeah, we'll pour away the water. That's what the restaurant would normally do. Just make sure when you pour away the water, don't end up pour away the fish. Okay? It can happen. Be very careful. When you pour away the water, use something to block the fish. Okay? So now we're just going to bundle the fish with our beautiful sauce, ginger scallion sauce. And there you go. That's how simple it is to make. This is actually considered the restaurant. If you ask me, it's already considered the restaurant standard of ginger scallion steamed fish. How much is this going to cost outside? Nowadays, eating fish outside at the restaurant is so super expensive. So I prefer to buy the fish myself and cook it at home. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. The best thing about home cooking is you can actually purposely cook the specific dish that you know is going to be good for a purpose, yeah, for your family. Enjoy your dinner. Bye-bye.